Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best grill grates in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Weber 7441 Replacement Charcoal Grates. This model is made of heavy gauge steel and designed to fit inside Weber 22-inch charcoal grills. The lower grids in a charcoal grill create a space between the vents and the coals that allows air to get to the coals. The only issue with plated grates is that you have to clean it carefully just in case you scratch the coating off. However, the metal finishing is immune to scraping. It wears down by slow corrosion. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weber 8835 Gourmet Cooking Grate. The Weber 8835 Gourmet Grate is made with an amazing design that allows you to add more charcoal or wood without removing the grate. It is a mix and match with other gourmet barbecue system cookware for expanded cooking options. It is made of thick gauge steel for durability that will keep your grilling process going for the long term. This Weber original kettle is designed specifically for the 22-inch charcoal grills. The Gourmet barbecue system takes grilling to a new level with an innovative design while delivering professional results. The 12-inch grate insert allows for traditional grilling or more versatile grilling. Remove this insert and use it for any Gourmet barbecue system components, such as grilled, wok, or poultry roaster. Number 3. Our third best pick is Weber 7524 Cooking Grates. These Weber 7646 grates are made of durable iron and coated with porcelain enamel. This protects the iron inside from corrosion. The inner material provides it rigidity and durability, while the outside coating gives it protection from the elements. This strong grate will last a long time. However, maintenance and proper cleaning are required. A couple of scratches can spell certain doom for your grate, as wet air can enter and eat the metal from within. Apart from this, it has a smooth and polished surface that makes it have excellent non-stick properties. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Char-Broil 3297527R04TRU Infrared Replacement Grate. Are you on a budget but need a cooking grid for your next barbecue part? Grab a broil grate that delivers the broil promise at a cheap rate. It delivers a decent performance compared to other high-end models. With premium construction, this emitter and grate will have you enjoy no flare-ups, juicer foods, and even heat for a long time. This set is compatible with 2015 and the latest broil commercial, signature, or professional series TRU infrared gas grills. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Hisencn Stainless Steel Grate. It is the perfect replacement for a number of different grills. These Hisencn stainless steel rod cooking grates are available in a set of 2. It fits like a glove to the grill models it is described to fit. You can cook it by maintaining a proper level of heat in the food. You will get the experience of tasting a delicious meal every time. Apart from all this, grates provide you with safe and healthy food to not have to worry about health. These are the heavy-duty and durable grates available on the market. The only downside is they'll require a lot of oiling before use, as they aren't completely non-stick. Best of all, these grates have very high temperature resistance, so they will last a long time. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.